Sri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma Sri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhagaji Sadma Bando Moisavadana Mate Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, जय जय जय।
जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंसा परिव्राजकाचार्य स्तोत्र श्रद्धा डिवाइन ग्रेस भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद महाराज की अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की, श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरी गोवर्धन की, मथुरा वृंदावन धाम की, नवदीप मायापुर धाम की, जगन्नाथपुरी क्षेत्र की, द्वारका धाम की, गंगा माँ यमुना माई की, भक्ति देवी की, तुलसी देवी की, सामवेद भक्त वृंद की, प्रभुपाद ट्रांसेंडेंटल बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की, हरिनाम संकीर्तन महायज्ञ की, Darshan Arati ki, Guru Puja ki, Nitai Gaur Premanande. All glories assembled devotees, all glories assembled devotees, all glories assembled devotees, all glories Shri Guru and Gauranga, all glories Srila Prabhupada ki. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradari 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 Yashodanandana Vrijajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vrijajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vrijajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vrijajana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradari Yashodanandana Vrijajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vrijajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vrijajana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Radha Govinda Radha Govinda Radhe. Jaya Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gauranitai. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Nitai Gaura Haribol, 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 Nitai Gaura Haribol. The Gaur Premanande. Jai Om Vishnupad Paramahamsa Parivrajkacharya Stotra Shata Divine Grace Abhay Charana Ravinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Maharaj Ki, ISKCON founder, BBD founder Srila Prabhupada Ki. Jai Om Vishnupad Paramahamsa Parivrajkacharya Stotra Shata Divine Grace Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Maharaj Ki, Anant Koti Vaishnav Vrinda Ki, नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की, प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की, श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोविनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की, मथुरा वृंदावन धाम की, नवद्वीप मायापुर धाम की, जगन्नाथपुरी क्षेत्र की, द्वारका धाम की, गंगा माँ यमुना माई की, भक्ति देवी की, तुलसी देवी की, सामवेद भक्त वृंद की, प्रभुपाद ट्रांसेंडेंटल बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की, Thy God Premanande. All glories assembled devotees, all glories assembled devotees, all glories assembled devotees, all glories Shri Guru and Gauranga, all glories Srila Prabhupada ki. Om Jnana Dhimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurumilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Shri Chaitanya Manovistam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Gadamayam Dadan Sabadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yutabadakamalam Shri Guru Vaishnavancha Shri Rupam Sagrijatam Sagana Raghunatantam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parinetam Krishna Chaitandevam Shri Radha Vishnitasha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये महावदनाय कृष्ण विवृदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरते नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरो विश्व कृपा सिन्धुभ्यो च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण वैष्णवभूतले श्रीमद् भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नामे नमस्ते सारस्वती देव गौरवान् प्रचार निर्विशेष शून्यमत पाश्चात्यदेष्टानि जयो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा welcome all for morning Bhagavatam class. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी प्रणाम प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी सादर
कृष्ण प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु प्रणाम।
हरे
दंडवत
कृष्ण
प्रणाम।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयामुदीरये नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्ठिकी। Yes, Hare Krishna, Krishna Chaitanya. Namo. Srimad Bhagavatam, 4th canto, 7th chapter, shloka 41. Yes. Agniruvacha yat tejasaham sushamiddateja. 。 हव्यं वहे स्वाद्वारा आजशिक्तम् तं यज्ञियां पंचविदं च पंचाभि सुइष्टं यजुर्भि प्रणत अस्मि यज्ञाम्। अग्निरुवाच यत्तेजसाहं सुसमिद्धतेजा Avyam vahesu advare ajashiktam. Tam yajniyam panchavidam cha panchabi. Svistam yajurbi pranata asmi yajnam. Agniruvacha yat tejasaham susamiddateja. Havyam vahesu advare ajam shiktam. Tam yagniyam panchavidam cha panchabi. Suishtam yajurbi pranatasmi yajnam. Agniruvacha yat tejasaham susamiddateja. Havyam vahesu advare ajashiktam. Tam yajniyam panchavidam cha panchabi. Suishtam yajurbi pranatasmi yajnam. Hare Krishna. Agni, the fire god, Uvacha, said, Yat Tejaha, Yat Tejasa, by use in effulgence, Aham, I, Susamidda Teja, as luminous as blazing fire, Havyam, offerings, Vahe, I am accepting, Su Advare, in the sacrifice, Ajasiktam, mixed with butter, Tam, that, Yajniyam, the protector of the sacrifice, Panchavidam, 5, Cha, and Panchabi, by 5, Suistam, worship, Yajurbi, Vedic hymns, Pranata, offer respectful obeisances, Asmi, I, Yajna, to Yajna, Vishnu. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Abhay Charana Ravinda Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The fire god said, My dear Lord, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you because by your favor I am as luminous as blazing fire, and I accept the offering mixed with butter and offered in sacrifice. The 5 kinds of offerings according to the Yajurveda are all your different energies, and you are worshipped by 5 kinds of Vedic hymns. Sacrifice means you, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yes, now we can repeat. The fire god said, My dear Lord, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you because by your favor I am as luminous as blazing fire, and I accept the offerings mixed with butter and offered in sacrifice. The 5 kinds of offerings according to the Yajurveda are all your different energies, and you are worshipped by 5 kinds of Vedic hymns. Sacrifice means you, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yes, once again. Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yeah, you can read, yeah.
Prabhuji, there's a lot of background noise, Prabhuji. Maybe some setting.
Background noise, huh? Fan. Okay, you can read, yeah.
I think not with the fan, Prabhuji. Maybe the setting. I think usually Prabhuji changes the setting. Setting in the desk.
Setting. ಇದು ಬೇಡಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ Yes, Hare Krishna now. Hare Krishna.
Will we have some? Okay.
Now, Hare
Yes.
Krishna. It's okay?
Yeah, little better, Prabhuji. Hare
Okay.
Krishna.
You can read, yeah.
Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, Prabhupada ki jai. In Bhagavad Gita, it is clearly said that yagna should be performed for Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu has 1000 popular transcendental names, out of which one name is yagna. It is clearly said that everything should be done for the satisfaction of yagna or Vishnu. All other actions a person may take are only causes for his bondage. Everyone has to perform yagna because according to the Vedic hymns, as stated in the Upanishads, fire, the altar, the auspicious full moon, the period of 4 months called Chaturmasya, the sacrificial animal, and the beverage called Soma are all necessary requisites. As are the specific hymns mentioned in the Vedas and composed of 4 letters. One hymn is as follows: Ashraveti chatur aksharam ashtu shraushad iti chatur aksharam yajeti tvabhyam ye yajamaha. These mantras, chanted according to the Shruti and Smriti literatures, are only to please Lord Vishnu. For the deliverance of those who are materially conditioned and attached to material enjoyment, performing yajna and following the rules and regulations of all divisions of society and of spiritual life are recommended. It is said in the Vishnu Purana that by offering sacrifice to Vishnu, one can gradually be liberated. The whole target of life, therefore, is to please Lord Vishnu, that is yajna. Any person who is in Krishna consciousness has dedicated his life for the satisfaction of Krishna, the original of all Vishnu forms, and by offering worship and prasada daily, he becomes a performer of yajna. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is clearly stated that in this age of Kali, the only successful performance of yajna or sacrifice is yajnai sankirtana prayayai. The best type of sacrifice is simply to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This yajna is offered before the form of Lord Chaitanya, as other yajnas are offered before the form of Lord Vishnu. These recommendations are found in the 11th canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Moreover, this yajna performance confirms that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Vishnu himself. As Lord Vishnu appeared at the Daksha Yajna long ago, Lord Chaitanya has appeared in this age to accept our Sankirtana Yajna. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Thank you, thank you. Mugyanajimrandasya Kyananjanshlavya Chakshurumilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namo Vishnuvadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami iti Namini. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyadveshta Devo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gauravakam. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram. Agniruvacha yattejasam sushamidateja havyam vahesu advare ajashiktam tam yajniyam panchavidam cha panchabi suvistam yajurbi pranatasmi yajnam. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Abhay Charana Arvind Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The fire god said, "My dear Lord, I offer my respectful obeisance unto you because by your favor I am as luminous as blazing fire, and I accept the offerings mixed with butter and offered in sacrifice. The 5 kinds of offerings according to the Yajur Veda are all your different energies, and you are worshipped by 5 kinds of Vedic hymns. Sacrifice means you, the Supreme Personality of Godhead." Yes, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yes, Hare Krishna. So we are in 4th canto, 7th chapter. So Prajapati Daksha Prajapati. So once in assembly, Shiva and Brahma and all devatas were there, and Prajapati Daksha comes, and there Brahma and Shiva, they were absorbed in Krishna's meditation. So they didn't give respect to Daksha. And there, because Brahma is higher to Daksha, he didn't consider him, but he considered Shiva because he is his daughter's husband. There he displeased Shiva by saying some words. So by saying words you can displease. Then later, Sati was going to her father's place, Daksha's place, and Shiva said, you don't go because he didn't invite you. But still, being a daughter, she went. And there again, Daksha insults Shiva. Now Sati got angry. Bad. So Sati, because Daksha he dies. Sati dies. Now Shiva get angry. See, there is a limit. For everything there is a limit. We should be like Trinadapi Sunichena, Tarorapi Saishnuna. But there is a limit. When limit crosses, that time we have to be angry. So now that limit has been crossed and Shiva goes. And Shiva sends Veerabhadra. And Veerabhadra, what he does? He cuts the head of Daksha. And he is getting the head of goat. Then again, Shiva says with Veerabhadra to fix, he got a head of goat. And once again yajna happened. And now, here, it is offering by Agni, all devatas, and Narayana comes. So now, question is, even we are doing yajna, but Narayana is not coming. Why? Actually, whenever we do yajna, Narayana should come. He will come. See here, immediately came. Here Prabhupada in translation and purport Prabhupada says, sacrifice. Sacrifice means we have to sacrifice our mind, our body, our wealth, everything unto the service of Krishna. When we do like that, then Krishna will come. In Swargaloka, all devatas were sacrificing. So, here Narayana comes. So, yajna means pleasing Narayana, not any Devi devatas. When we do yajna, this thing, yajna for Devi devatas also, Devi devatas will give it to Narayana. This is the process. Process is like that. Sorry. Okay. So here, out of 1,000 name, Yajna is also name. Yajneshwara, Krishna's name, Narayana's name. So when we do Yajna, Bhoktara is Krishna. In Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 29 shloka. Bhoktaram Yajna Tapasam, Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, Suhridam Sarvabhutanam, Jnatvamam Shantim Richati. Enjoyer is Krishna. So this we have to understand. In Bhagavad Gita, 13 shloka, third chapter, 13 shloka. Yajna Jishtashino Santo Muchyante Sarva Kilbishi Bhunjate Tetu Agam Papam Ye Pachanti Atma Karana. So anything which we are not offering to Krishna, then it is sin. So when we offer to Devatas also, Devatas will give to offer to Krishna. In Kadri temple, I was not knowing earlier, I was going to Kadri temple. Then later I came to know. A Kadri temple, Shiva Linga is there. And below there, some water is there. There Vishnu, this is there. Vishnu. And when they do now Ratha Yatra, now they sing Jatra Mahosava. So they take that Vishnu deity throughout that Ratha. So offering is going to Vishnu. Whenever you are offering to Shiva, means Shiva will give to Vishnu. This is the process. So here in this shloka, one second. Dhiti means ghee. Ghee means Prabhupada says cow ghee, not any other ghee. Nowadays there are no cows. How you will get? In Swargaloka there is unlimited cows. So ghees are also pure. So ghee has to be offered. Ghee has to be offered to Yajna, and Krishna will please, Narayana will please in that. So in 14th shloka, 3rd chapter, 14th shloka, Annat bhavanti bhutani parjanyat anna sambhava yajnat bhavati parjanya yajna karma samudbhava. So it is a cycle. Cycle in the sense, we have to do yajna. By doing yajna, here translation says about that only. You have to do yajna. By yajna, rain will come. From rain, grains will go. And that grain has to be offered to Lord. So it comes like this and goes to him only. From him comes, it is a circle. It is a circle. So Prabhupada says, see, sometimes there will be no rain. And suddenly rain will come. Why? Like we say in Hindi, baad. Baad aata hai. Suddenly, over rain will be there. Why? Actually, Prabhupada says, rain means night raining and daytime nice sunshine. This is perfect. So when it will come, some people will say, क्या यार उधर वो जगह पे यज्ञ ही नहीं किया, आप बोलते हैं यज्ञ करेंगे तो बारिश आता है, वो यज्ञ ही नहीं किया, इतना बाढ़ आएगा. बाढ़ इसलिए आता है, नहीं तो बाढ़ नहीं आता है. This overflow of water, full, it will be what to say, initially बाढ़ will come, Because when there is no yajna, they will come. Then over rain will come. Actually, night it should be raining and daytime sunshine. So if you do yajna, it will come. So what is that yajna? Here Prabhupada in purport says, Sankirtana yajna. Krishna varnam dvisha krishnam sangopangartha parshadam yajna sankirtana prayar yajanti sumedasha. So intelligent people in Kali Yuga, they will do Sankirtana yajna. So just by doing Sankirtana yajna, everything will come under our footstep. Everything will come. So Sankirtana yajna has to be done properly. See Prabhupada what he has done. He went to America. He has done simple Sankirtan, 3 hours Sankirtan. And it is not new. Prabhupada was doing 3 hours Sankirtan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was also doing 3 hours Sankirtan morning and evening. In Jagannath Puri, he was doing morning 3 hours and again evening he was doing 3 hours. When he went to Shantipur, Advaita Acharya's place, there also he was doing Sankirtan. Morning 3 hours Sankirtan, evening 3 hours Sankirtan. So here, in purport, Prabhupada says, chanting Vedic hymns. So by chanting Vedic hymns, suppose if you are chanting wrong, then there is a problem. Once in Parikrama, it was 2018 I think. So one sannyasi said, he went to South India, some part, I don't know exact place. He went there and some 40-50 boys, they were chanting Vedic hymns. That tone was like, Isha Vasham Idam Sarvam Yat Kincha Jagat Jagam. In that tone, they were chanting. And so many people were there, all were praising. How nice they are chanting. Actually, the sannyasi was knowing the meaning of that. What that students were chanting, it is like Hiranyakashipu's prayer. Give me that, give me this, give me that. So when we hear some chanting, we feel, oh nice, he is chanting very nice. But actually, suppose when you are chanting, any mistakes are there, then you will not get benefit, any credit. That is the problem. So Prabhupada says, simple chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Namnamakari Bauda Nija Sarva Shakti, Tatrarpita Niyamita, Smarane Nakala, Eta Dushita, Tavakrupa Bhagavan Mamapi, Durdeva Midrusham Janina Anuraga. So here Yajna is also one name. So there are thousands of names. Krishna is having so many names. And Krishna is present in that name. Krishna is present in that name. Namna Makari Bhavata Nija Sarva Shakti. Tatrarpita. There is no rules and regulation for chanting this name. Here it is said that there are certain rules. Suppose if you are chanting and it is not proper, then there is problem. But Hare Krishna mantra, there is no problem. Amnamakari Bhavati Sarva Tatra Arpita Niyamita Smarane Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi. And Krishna has given us association of who? His divine grace, Abhay Charanaravanda Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. We are associating, morning Bhagavatam means we are associating with Prabhupada. We are reading Prabhupada's purport. This purport is transcendental purport. So Krishna has given us facility. Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent his commander-in-chief, Prabhupada. Tatrarpita niyamita smaranena kala etashitav bhagavan mamapi durdaiva midrishamiya janina anuraga. But I don't have any taste for this Hare Krishna mantra. This is our problem. Prabhupada says, in Satya Yoga, by meditation, Treta Yoga, sacrifice, yajna, Dwapara Yoga, archana, Kali Yoga, nama sankirtana. So all these three yugas, Satya, Treta, Dwapara, what benefit you are getting, all will get in this Sankirtana Yajna. So Sankirtana Yajna is so powerful. See, sometimes we should do yatra. Once this temple finishes, we should do yatra where continuously 3 hours kirtan, non-stop. 3 hours kirtan means no changing of tone, single tone. The more you do kirtan, then you will get ecstasy. But you should have taste. You should be having taste to sit there. You should not be disturbed. While doing kirtan, people they keep on changing the tone. Prabhupada was chanting only one tone, 3 hours. And if we do that, definitely tears will come. We should practice for that. Sometimes in yatra we should do. Yatra means we have to do Sankirtan. Together, all people, suppose 300 people are there, we should sit in one place and we should do Sankirtan. So much powerful it is. Very, very powerful. Very powerful. So, all medicines are there in that 16 names, Hare Krishna names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. But how we are taking? So, sacrifice. Sacrifice means, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Manasa deha geho, jo kichu mora, arpito duapade, nanda kishora. Like, Manasa deha geho, like my mind, my body, my everything, I will offer to please Krishna. I will offer everything for Krishna's pleasure. When we do like this, then we will get ecstasy. Definitely tears will flow. So Prabhupada says sacrifice means everything. You should sacrifice your mind, your wealth, your everything unto the service of Krishna. This is sacrifice. And chanting should be done in this mode. Chanting should be done in this mode. Then we will feel ecstasy. Or else we will not get ecstasy. Or else we will not get ecstasy. So, we are fortunate people. We are very fortunate. Why we are fortunate? Why we are fortunate? Knowingly or unknowingly, we got association of Srila Prabhupada. We are very fortunate. Prabhupada says, this is Mahaprabhu's movement. I am just Nimitta. He has used me. Actually, he is not Nimitta. That is humbleness. So, Mahaprabhu wants to give Krishna Prema to everybody. Mahaprabhu wants. And Chaitanya, Prabhupada came for that only. Prabhupada says, can't you see? Before 5 years, what you are, now what you are. Can't you see? Magic happened. This is because of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This Hare Krishna mantra. This Hare Krishna mantra will make magics. I can say in my personal life also. From 2008 till 2012, I was coming, and Sridhar was saying, you stay here, stay in temple. I was refusing. And in 2013, Pajaka Yatra was there. And Pajaka Yatra, early morning, 5 o'clock we went, until 1 o'clock. So what we have done in Pajaka Yatra, Kirtan, 6 hours Kirtan. After that, and after afternoon Prasadam, then we started, 4 o'clock we came, and I went to temple. Immediately I went to house, I packed my bag and I came. So this Sankirtan, what happens? So anybody wants to sacrifice their life, they should do long Sankirtan. Heart will melt. Immediately it will melt. Sankirtan is not, normal. It is very powerful, very, very powerful. Very powerful. So once we should go deep into this Sankirtan. Because Sankirtan is done for Krishna's pleasure. Prabhupada says, we are doing Sankirtan we are thinking that I am doing we are doing Sankirtan for Krishna's pleasure. Anybody is there or not there, doesn't matter. You do Sankirtan because Krishna will hear, he will reciprocate. He will reciprocate. So as you do Sankirtan, when Vrindavan Prabhu he was doing Sankirtan, it was like as if Krishna will come. It was like that. So intense. So Sankirtan is meant for Krishna's pleasure. We should be absorbed in that Sankirtan. Once we are absorbed in this Sankirtan, yes, then our life is success. So all this process, reading, class, everything is that we have to be absorbed in Sankirtan. We should be absorbed. Sankirtan itself, it's like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started, he took sannyas and he started doing Sankirtan throughout India. Some places, they didn't see. And some people were associating Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Immediately they were going into ecstasy. And other people who were seeing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who were seeing those people who saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they were going to ecstasy. It's like disease, spreading disease. All were afflicted by ecstasy. Chaitanya was going and people were just becoming mad after Hare Krishna mantra. Prabhupada says, we should also become mad after Hare Krishna Maha mantra. Our goal is to become mad after Hare Krishna Maha mantra. So when we will become mad after Hare Krishna Maha mantra? This is the question. We should become mad. अगर ये मंत्र नहीं है तो मैं मर जाऊंगा. What is the use of living? This thinking should come. And this thinking is like not now it will come. Throughout the day it should be like that on meditation. While sleeping time also. If Hare Krishna mantra is not there, I can't sleep. This should be our meditation. Actually Hare Krishna mantra is very powerful. Very, very powerful. Sometimes a person will be having so much of material desires. So much. And if you start chanting Hare Krishna Maha mantra, if you meet him after 1 year, there will be drastic changes. Because Hare Krishna mantra will make all work. It will start working. And you don't know when it will start working. Once you should start chanting, inside it will, absorb. When you put cloth in a washing machine. It will do its work. When you take out, shirt will be clean. The same way, this Hare Krishna mantra, when it goes inside, it starts working. It starts working. So Prabhupada says here, Yajna, why we are taking birth again and again? Because we are not doing proper yajna. We are not sacrificing to Krishna. When we sacrifice everything to Krishna, then there is no birth. There is no repetition. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam is not there. Yes, Hare Krishna. Any questions? Yes, Hare Krishna. Any questions? Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay. Shiva Kumar Biradar. Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandot Pranam. I am inspired by you, Prabhuji. I want to know the daily routine because you are wearing daily this iron saffron dresses and you are doing Mangalarti. So I really wanted to know your daily routine, Prabhuji. How will you manage time?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. See, you have to be in the association of devotees, and senior devotees will train you. Then you can manage everything. First, when we come, we will be like small child. Then slowly they will train. So you should be associated with devotees. They will train. Okay. Adideva Gopesha Das. Yes, Adideva Gopesha Das. Hare Krishna.
Pranams.
Pranams, Dandot Pranams, yes.
You quoted Nanda Kishora.
Huh? Manasa Deha Geo, Jo Kuch Mora. This is Bhaktivinoda Thakur's prayer.
Okay, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thanks.
Okay, Hare Krishna. Vanchakalpadaro Vishya Okay. Vanchakalpadaro Vishya Kripa Sindhubhyo Cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Anant Koti Vaishnavanda Ki Jai. Namacharya Shri Haridas Thakur Ji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for a wonderful class.
Thank you,
Bhagavatam.
Prabhuji.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji. Dandot Pranam. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, Dandavut Pranam.
Dandot Pranam. Dandot
Hare
Pranam.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.